Why is energy healing important for making music? Simply put, unlimited creativity and inspiration. But how do you get there? By clearing all of your energy centers from negative blocks. Stress, fear, anxiety, anger, depression, traumas, and belief system all hold you back from having a clear channel to your higher self and the never-ending universal creativity. You will write the best music of your entire life. How do I know? Because I am. And this is why it is the first and most important step in my new music program, which is called Walking the Path. If you want to make the best music of your entire life, and this message resonates with you, then send me a DM or leave a comment below. See ya.